Okay. Good morning to all. Very good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning. Very good
Good
morning.
morning.
Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
No, but you guys are not audible. Let me fix it. Can you say, can you say something, Abigail?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes. Yes. I can hear you a lot.
Okay.
Okay.
Good morning.
So, good morning. Good morning, Anna. Good morning, Joshua. Ezekiel. Good morning.
Good
How
morning,
are you
sir.
all?
Great, sir.
Good.
Great. Anna, you are doing lot of basics issues, huh? Concept is clear, but the formulas and everything you're forgetting again and again. Why?
Yeah, I don't know. I was just realizing it. I did a practice test yesterday, so I
Hmm.
have to memorize all that formulas.
Uh, okay, okay. But you're doing great. It's not that thing that you're not able to understand, but you're doing great. But little more practice, then silly mistakes will fall over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All the best. You have exam on 4th. So everyone, please keep this point in your prayer about Anna and Anushka. A for Anna and A for Anushka. That they will appear in exam. I think in 4th November there is a maths exam, and 12th or 14th November, I guess there is a science exam.
I think it's the 16th for Anushka.
16 for Anushka. So keep this point in your prayer because when we will pray, the problems will go away. Yeah. So please keep them in prayer about the good exam. Then when you will give exam, and I will pray earnestly with the fasting. So that's great. Okay. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, today is also a doubt class, and tomorrow is your test. Test of which chapter? Can you tell me? Can you tell me which chapter? Construct.
Construct.
Okay, and it will be in the class only. It means that I will write the question in the class, and you guys have to sit and you have to do in the class. Okay, so it will be 30 minutes test because, and after the class, I'll give you only half an hour time period to send me the paper so that I can get the paper on that same spot. Otherwise, if I will give you time, you will say, "Sir, I was not free. I am 30 hours. It's Saturday. It's a worship practice. Sunday. It's a Sunday church." So I can understand that. That's why I'm taking the class in. I'm catching class. Okay. Okay. Great. So yeah. Yeah, today is your doubt. Please ask me doubt. Ezekiel has a lot of doubt. I can see in his face. Yes, Ezekiel, please. We'll start with Ezekiel. No doubt. Oh. Yes. Anybody else? Joshua?
So,
Anna? Yes.
check your progress 18.2, the third and the ninth question.
Give me a second. $18.2.
The ninth question only. I got the third one. I forgot to mark that off.
Yeah, just give me a second. Okay, the median one. This is a very easy one, no? Okay, no problem. We'll do that. So you guys have to draw with me. Then please be ready for that. Okay. Okay, now this is the question. Can you read this? Construct a triangle PQR in which PQ is 5 centimeter, QR is 4 centimeter, and RS is the median. Okay. Now, first of all, I have to draw a rough diagram as I told you before also. Let me check how much battery is left. 27. So, first of all, let me draw the rough diagram for you guys. So, like this is a rough diagram in which PQ RS. So this will become R and this will become S so that we can get the median point. And this is PQ. So the PQ is 5 centimeter. Okay. QR is 4.2 centimeters. and the RS median is 3.8 centimeter. Okay. So now how will you draw this? So everyone take out your ruler with the help of ruler. Just draw the base of 5 centimeter quickly. Name it as PQ, P, and Q. Okay. Your PQ should be 5 centimeters. Okay. PQ is 5 centimeters. Okay. Now, as we know that the median is the midpoint, then PS is equals to SQ. So it means that you have to make perpendicular bisector for that, because bisector is bisect the bisect the line into two equal half. So how will you make the perpendicular bisector? You have to open more than half up and down in the same way from Q up and down. Understood? Like this. Like this, make perpendicular bisector and name this as S. Now, now the RS is given, which is 3.8 centimeters. So measure 3.8 centimeter with the help of ruler. Put the tip of the compass at S and then just cut an arc like this. Understood? Yes or no?
So could you repeat that?
Joshua? Okay, so what you have to do, you have to measure 3.8 centimeter with the help of ruler, the compass. Put the tip, because RS is given, no? This distance is given 3.8 centimeter. So put the tip of the compass here and then just mark 3.8 centimeter. Yes, quickly join Joshua. Okay, Hannah also. I can't solve 8 and it's a terminal exercise. Okay, we'll solve it. We'll solve it. Yeah. Hannah also has some doubt. We'll solve it. Then, because this RQ is 4.2 centimeter, then measure our 4.2 centimeter and cut an arc like this. Then the point, the cut you got, which will become R, and then just join this RS, RQ, and PQ. This is the answer.
So from which point should we make a cut from for 4.2 centimeters?
From Q. From Q, 4.2. From S, 3.8. Understood? Okay, where is the Hannah? Hannah's doubt is chapter number 23. Okay, shall I raise this? Now, Hannah had doubt of chapter number 8. 8, no? You said 8, I guess.
Chapter number 23, question 8 and 12.
Oh, question 8 and 12. Question
In
8
the
and 12 terminal. Okay. Okay. Now it is given that at top of the tip of the hill, the angle of depression of the consecutive kilometer stones due to each are found to be 60 and 30 degrees. Okay, consecutive kilometer means, see, consecutive means basically what's the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means if you are taking two, the next consecutive means the next continuous number will be three. This is the meaning of consecutive. So because first I will draw the diagram. Okay, Abigail, no problem. You can say it. Okay. So what is I'm saying? So first we will draw the diagram. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. Okay, so consecutive means like this is the height of the hill, which I don't know. Okay, the angle of depression is basically it's nothing else but it's like this. Okay, like if this is 30 degree and this is 60 degree, then it will become this like this. Okay, no problem in that. Okay, now consecutive let the kilometer which is unknown be x. Then next will become x plus 1. Okay, then next it will become x plus 1. Okay, so in triangle, like I will name the triangle in triangle ABC, tan 30 degree will be equals to perpendicular upon base, tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3, perpendicular is h, upon b is x. So it will become x equals to h root 3 centimeter. Okay, understood? Yes or no? Now in triangle ABG, tan 60 degree is equals to perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 degree value is root 3. It's h upon x plus 1. So it will become x plus 1 is equals to h by root 3. It will become 2 3 h upon 3 is equal to x plus 1. Okay. And so here um, x upon root 3 can be become h, and I will put the value of h. So how it will become root 3 and h can be written as x upon root 3 upon 3 is equals to x plus 1. So root 3 and root 3 will cut. So it will become x upon 3 is equals to x plus 1. Okay. So how much it will become? It will become, now if I will solve here, x is equals to 3x plus 3, 2x is equals to 3, x is equals to 3 by 2. Means 1.5 kilometer. If one is 1.5 kilometer, second is 2.5 kilometer. Because consecutive, no? That's it.
So I don't understand how you solve the x plus 1 equals h upon root 3. From then I didn't understand.
Okay. The tenth, like if I'm taking, if I did not wrong, no? Yes, I did wrong. I did a blunder. Eh, Okay. That's what I'm thinking. It's not good. Hmm. Just give me a second again. 10, 30 degrees. In triangle, this is not 10, 30, 10, 60. Okay, let me do it, then I will explain to you.
Sir, can you hear
Yes,
me?
yes, yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Just give me a second.
How did we get 2x plus 1?
Just give me a second. I'm telling you. Okay, now listen. Now listen, yeah. So now this is 10, a triangle ABC is there, okay? Triangle ABC is there. It's 60 degree. I'm taking this as x and the another base is x plus 1 because it's consecutive is written. So that's why I'm taking one base is x, another base is x plus 1. Okay. Now tan 60 degree. Now this is tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equals to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is h or base is x. Then the root 3x, it will become root 3x equals to x. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Now in triangle ABD, the big triangle I'm taking, ABD. Okay. In the big triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equals to perpendicular upon base. Yes. So perpendicular is h again, and the base is x plus 1 because the whole base we will take. No? So x plus x becomes 2x, and then plus 1 is there plus 1. Okay. Why it becomes 2x plus 1? Because x plus x is basically 2x plus 1.
Sir, one
Mhm.
more doubt. How did CD be x plus 1? I thought it's 1 kilometer.
Because it's written as no, this 1 kilometer is the answer which I got. This 1 kilometer is nothing else, but I got the answer. But here, this is I'm taking as x, the another one become x plus 1. Yes, Hannah.
So, in the book, the answer is 433 meters.
Which one?
The answer to this question is 433 meters.
Height of the hill,
Yeah.
3 meters. It can be possible.
So I didn't understand the diagram.
Yeah, sir, I thought the distance, like what they've given in the question, between C and D was 1 kilometer. I don't understand how I came.
Just give me a second. Possible. Let me check it. Perfect. The answer is 3. Still, I'm not getting it.
So the answer given is 433 meters.
Oh, 33.
Yes, sir.
I'm getting 855. What mistake I did now? Because the student is with me. It becomes kilometer. I guess the answer might be wrong because this is the answer. Let's check on my time. I guess this is the correct answer. I'm getting answer as H is equal to 0.855, which will be H is equal to 855 meter. Let's see. Okay, so what mistake I did? Let me explain the question. If some calculation mistakes are there, then you got see. Otherwise, I guess this is the correct answer. Okay. Now, what the question is saying, the question tricked me also. It is given that the angle of deflection of the two consecutive stones is like this is the one stone and this is another stone, kilometer. Means the difference between these two stones is 1 kilometer. Okay, I'm repeating again. There are the two stones are there. Okay, this two stone is divided by 1 kilometer. Two stones kilometers. Okay, and they makes an angle 60 degree and 30 degree with the top of the hill. Okay, now we have to find. So first of all, I solve this triangle, which is triangle ABC. Okay, tan 60 degrees is equals to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is h upon base is x. Okay, then tan 60 degree value is root 3. Then x will go to become root 3x. In the same way, the big triangle, triangle ABB. So the base will become x plus 1. Base will become what? X plus 1, and the height will become h. So tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 x upon x plus 1. So because base is x plus 1, this whole will become base now. It become x plus 1. Then to become x plus 1 upon root 3 is equal to h. Now root 3x is equal to h, so I replace the value of h, which is root 3x. Root 3 and root 3 become 3. So here it becomes 3. So now this will go that side to become 3x minus x becomes 1. So 2x equals to 1. So x is equal to 0.5. Means this is 0.5 meters. Until here it will become 1.5 meter because the 1 is the kilometer between these two. So now, if you will solve it, you
No,
will
I
get
have a
answer
question.
is yes.
Like between B and C, shouldn't that also be 1 kilometer?
Sorry, say it again.
Shouldn't the distance between
Given the distance between B and C, no. The two stones are divided by kilometer. The two consecutive stones, I have kilometer between them, like 1 kilometer between them.
Okay.
Okay. The consecutive kilometer stones means the stones which are divided by a kilometer. That's why I put it as one.
Okay, I assume the hill was also 1 kilometer.
Yeah. Quickly write it down or take screenshot, then I will do the next question, which is 12.
So I didn't get the diagram part.
Yeah. What diagram part? The diagram is saying the top of the hill. And this is the top of the hill. Okay, this is the top of the hill. And it creates an angle of depression on this stone and this stone. Okay. So this stone is basically 60 degrees and this stone is 30 degrees. Because as I told you, the stone which is away from the hill will make a less angle as compared to the stone which is near to the hill. So that's why this creates a 60 degree. This will become 60 degree, and this creates a 30 degree because as I told you before also, like this is parallel lines, and parallel lines, if this is 60 degree, then this is also become 60 degree because of the alternative interior angles. So this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. And it is given that two consecutive stones are divided by a kilometer. So this is T and this is D. It is divided by 1 kilometer. I don't know the value of BC. I am taking it as X. Then I have to solve it. Okay. Okay. Shall I use this?
Yeah.
The next question. Okay. The shadow of a standing level ground. Yes. The shadow of a standing on the level ground is found to be 45 root 3 longer when the sun altitude is become 30 degree to 60 degree. Okay. When the sun altitude is 30 degrees, then it was 60 degrees. Okay. So for example, there's a tower. This is towers. And first it was 60 degrees. First this was 60 degrees. And the second it becomes 30 degrees. And it become how much longer? 45 root 3 longer. Now you have to find the height. Hannah, what problem you got in this?
I don't know how to solve it.
You don't know how to solve this. Okay, I'm taking this as
I
X.
couldn't
This is
understand
as
how
S.
to draw the diagram.
Okay, now you got the diagram.
Yeah,
Okay, now you can solve it or you want me to solve it?
I can try to solve it.
So can you
Okay.
spell it, sir?
Okay. So in triangle ABC, so we know that theta is 60 degrees. Okay. The height is basically AB. Okay. And X. So tan 60 degrees equals to height, which I don't know, which is AB. Okay, height on degree of height upon base is x. So tan 60 degree value is root 3. So root 3 x is equals to x. Okay. Now it's given tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equals to perpendicular, which is the answer.
Sir,
Hmm.
can you explain the top part again?
Yeah, just this one is okay. This is equal. Okay, now listen. What is given that 45 root 3 is longer, like when it was 60 degree and when it becomes 30 degree because of the sun, then it becomes 45 root 3 longer than that. Okay, so now theta is equal to 60 degrees. So in this triangle, in triangle ABC, we know that tan 60 degrees equals to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is h upon base is x. It will become root 3x is equals to h. Now tan 30 degrees equals to this base x plus root 45 root 3 and the tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 h upon x plus 45 root 3. Understood? Now this will go to that side, become x plus 45 root 3 and this will become root 3h like this. Then I put the value of h from here, which is root 3x. So it will become this x will go to become 2x. 2x equals to 45 root 3, x equals to 45 root 3 upon 2. Now, because we know the value of h is root 3x, I put the value of x into this. To become root 3 into 45 root 3 upon 2. H is equals to root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So 45 3 is 135 upon 135 upon 2. Then it becomes 65.1.
So we should cross multiply that 135 by 2 to get the
Yeah,
answer.
this one. Yes, yes. Everyone got this? A for Anna?
But so the answer given is 67.5.
Yeah, sorry. The division is here. I mean, 135 by 2 is 67, not 67. Okay. Now, Abigail, did you listen one more question? Nine question. Nine question. Okay, this is the, I guess, last question in the next class. If you have more doubt, then we can continue with the math class also. Ask me in these two chapters. Because Jehovan and Chesron is not there. And if you no doubt, then we'll continue with the science class.
I don't have any doubt.
Okay, the last question we'll take. Then we'll go to the science class. Okay, shall I read this? Ezekiel, you didn't have any doubt, Petas?
No, sir, I just need to practice.
You need to practice. You're not doing practice.
Consciously, I did trigonometry. I need some more practice.
Okay. Please start doing practicing again and again because it is not easy chapter. Joshua, the things which you left, please try to recover it from the videos. You can go and check out every video.
Yes,
You
sir.
can do 2x, 2.5x, so the time can also be saved.
I only have the problem with the equations. It's for the
Yeah, I
trigonometry.
know. I know. That's why you need a lot of practice for that. And for that, the concept should be clear. I'll take out the doubt class. So like the concept doubt class also will be there. But for that, you need to practice a lot. Okay, you have this is 1 week holidays. 1 week holidays there. Go and check out the videos so that when we'll come back from the holidays, then I'll take some concept doubt class, like which concept you didn't understand. Okay, you can take that class also. So you can mark that concept and then we'll go to the concept. Okay, guys? There might be the concept doubt class also which we'll take. So if necessary for the 1 week, we'll take that concept doubt class.
So question 9 in chapter 17. This is in chapter 22.
Only. I'm taking Abigail's doubt, I guess. Abigail, is your doubt, sir?
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's my doubt.
Yeah, like this is a tower, which is 7 meters. The top of it is building. This is building of 7 meters. In the top of the tower, like this is tower, which is bigger than this. And it's shaped 60 degrees. Right? And the angle of displacement, it is right. This is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. And this is equal to 45 degrees because of the that's zero. You have to find the height of it. So now what's the problem in that?
I don't know how to solve it.
Okay. See, if I will take A, B, C, D, and C. So in triangles B, C, D. Okay, in triangle B, C, D, theta is what? 45 degrees. Okay. So then 45 degrees is 50. BC upon CD. So tan 45 is 1 is equal to BC is 7 upon CD. So it means that this distance, the base is which I got is 7. Okay. So this will also be 7 because it's the same distance as this. So it's a rectangle, no? In opposite sides are equal. Okay. So now in triangles A, B, C. Okay. So we'll use tan 60 degrees is equals to perpendicular upon base. Okay. So tan 60 degrees basically root 3 is equal to perpendicular. I don't know. And base is 7. This will become 7 root. So it means that this is 7 root. And this is 7 because this is the height of the tower in front of this. So now total height will become 7 plus 7 root 3. So 7 will come out. So it becomes 1 plus root 3. So if it is mentioned, then you can take that also like 1 plus 1.71. So 7 is equal to 1, 2.71. You will get answer of 14, 15, 18.97. This is that.
Okay, so
Got it?
got it. Yeah.
Next, Hannah had doubt. Hannah, which doubt? Tell me the chapter, please.
Question 7 in chapter 17, terminal. Question 9, sir.
Page number? Can you tell me page number again? Can you please tell me the page number?
22.
Huh?
20.
423. 423.
422. 422.
Question number 7.
9. It's the last question number.
9. Okay. Now we have to solve this. How will you solve this? Like PT is given as X. So I'll write PT is X. PA is 4. Which is still I take it. And AB is given as 5. Okay. Then how will you solve this? How will you solve this? Anybody has an idea? Begin. Do you have any idea how to solve this? Which problem? No idea. A for Anna.
There's that formula that PA into PB is equal to PT squared.
Yeah. PA into PB. PB or AB? Take the formula. So PA.
PA into PB.
So first of all, PT is X. PA is given as 4. And PB is basically 1. Yes. So PC square is equal to PA is 4 into PC, right? PC square is equal to 36. PC is equal to 36. PC is equal to 36. Hannah, what's this
So
question,
I
Hannah?
got confused in this formula, and I didn't know why. Like I didn't know what to do with the secant and the tangent are both in the same.
This is the formula.
So
The
could you
next question.
question?
Yes, sorry.
The same terminal question, the same terminal exercise, the sixth question.
We have to find if angle A is the angle is 70 degree. Then we have to tell B cos. Okay. Question. No. OBC. Right.
Sir,
Yeah.
I need to leave, sir, because my sibling needs this device.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay. QOC. I guess one value is missing in this question. That I know.
I got the answer, sir.
How you got?
The formula used was angle OBC plus OCB equals half of ABC and ACB. ABC plus ACB.
Hmm.
So then OBC is 35 and BAC is 70. And then ACB is 180 minus both those two angles, which is 40. And angle OCB is ACB by 2, which is 40 by 2, is 20.
Just give me a second. How ACB got?
ACB is 180 minus the other two angles, 70 and 70.
70? Is it given 70?
Is it an isosceles triangle? I'm not sure.
No, it's not given isosceles triangle. No, is it given? No.
I took it as 70.
No. That's why no, the values is not given. It's not given as this is isosceles triangle in the question. If you will check, it's not given that it's an isosceles triangle.
Okay.
That's the problem. No, the values are not given. The values are not mentioned. If ACB is given, then only we can do it. Otherwise, if one value is given, then the maximum value which we got, I wrote it in the diagram. Let me check that. Understood? Hannah,
Yeah.
values are not given. It will become 140.
So if I do take it as 70, then the answer comes in.
Yeah. You are taking which angle 70?
ACB. Oh, no, sorry,
Then
BACS 70. BACS 70.
B A C. Then take it forward what you can do. Yeah, if you are taking this as 70, then it will become 40. And then this will become 20. And if this will become 20, then it will become 20 and 19, 1 10. This will become 70. Then it is okay, but not mention it can be 70. It means that BC is equal to AC. If BC is equals to AC, it means that AC is equals to this, AC is equals to T. Mhm.
Could it be like that because they're tangent?
Which tangent?
BC and AC are tangents to the point C, right?
No, QC is the tangent. No, QC and RC is the tangent. Then QC and RC are equal. That I got it. But if you are taking AC and BC as the tangent, then it means that AR is equals to BQ. And we know that this AR, this BQ is equals to PB also because it's the external point B. Okay. And this AR is equals to this also. It means that the BP is also equals to AP. The question is incomplete, by the way. I'm not satisfied with the question. Either the question is related to the previous question also, like you can see that it's related to 5 also. So if you will do 5, then only you can get that it's an isosceles triangle or not. Understood, Anna? If for Anna, as for Hannah. If you will see the question number 5 also has the
Yeah,
same
I
diagram.
solved that. I solved
Yeah,
that. So
then
when I solved that, it's in my book. The length of QC is 4.5 centimeters.
yeah, it means that then you can get it's an isosceles triangle or not. And then if it is isosceles triangle, then you can solve it. Understood? Because I was not aware about the isosceles triangle. That's why the value was not given. And when I was solving, I said, one value is given, then how will you find another one? I tried everything. That's the problem. Understood, Anna? No, you didn't understand anything. If you will solve the 5th question, then you will got to know that it's an isosceles triangle. Then you can solve it. Okay? Understood? No, no, you didn't understand anything. Okay. Next
So
question. Any other question? Yes.
it is actually, it may not be an isosceles triangle. When I'm solving, I'm looking back. AR is 4
Mhm.
and QB is 5.
AR is 4 and QB is 5. Then how it can be isosceles triangle?
Yeah, then I don't know.
Then even though the question is not given, the one angle is missing. What I'm feeling, the angle is given, is missing. So the question is incomplete. And I will find it out also if somebody is on the way or also there. But I don't think so it's there in the way. I'm thinking about the one segment theorem is called as alternative segment theorem. But here also we can't use that alternative segment theorem also. Let me find it out if there is any other way. Otherwise, I think the question is incomplete. Okay. Next question.
I don't have any more questions, sir.
Hannah has doubts. No, Hannah, you have doubts. No, one
Oh,
question
no,
left.
I'm done.
You're done. Okay. Okay then, Hannah. It's time to say bye. And everyone, take out your science copy. There is no break. We'll do one thing. Bye, bye, bye. We'll do one thing. We'll complete the chapter right now, just right now, because we have only 10 minutes. So everyone, turn your camera. Ezekiel, Joshua, Hannah. Turn your camera, and then we'll complete the chapter number 30 today only. So we were some of the last of the pages. That's why I'm trying to complete the chapter today only so that we can have tomorrow doubt class of the science chapter. Turn on your camera, please, Ezekiel. Okay, so yesterday we learned about the photochemical smog. Yes, photochemical smog. Smog is basically the mixture of fog as well as smoke. The smoke which traps the fog, it's called as smog. So is smog is harmful? Yes, it's very harmful for us. Why it's very harmful for us? Because the fog is there and the smoke, the harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. So these gases are also there is a mixture of in the water vapor and it's created a lot of problem in that. So photochemical smog is also called as PAN smog due to the production of peroxyethyl nitrate (PAN), the ozone which forms from hydrocarbon and nitrogen oxide in the presence of solar radiation. PAN and ozone is called as photochemical oxidants. Both are toxic irritants to the human. So basically, there is a production of due to the production of pericylacetyl nitrate. This is important. Okay, this they can ask you in the 2 marks question, and it's like directly they can ask you. And I even in the recent 5 years papers, I have seen this question also. So what is photochemical? So put a star mark on this. Then in photochemical smog, it's also called as PAN smog. Okay, it is due to the production of perioxyacetyl nitrate (PAN), perioxy perioxyacetyl nitrate, and ozone. When they both mix, it create a photochemical oxidant. The smog is formation of acamphonite by the temperature inversion called as thermal inversion. Temperature inversions causes smog to settle down near to the ground till the winds sweep away. Means basically now in Delhi or in North India there is a cold type of atmosphere. Is there. Cold type of atmosphere means right now the nights and the morning it's bit cold. Okay, not that much cold, but it's a bit cold. So basically, what happens nowadays that because the temperature is also there, cold temperature is there. So cold temperature means the gases will be near to the Earth surface. So the gases there's a trap in which the gases will not go away because of the cold temperature. The gases is near like the rule is that the hot gases will go upward, but the cold gases will be near to the surface. So because of the cold temperature, the gases will not able to go, the smoke will not go able to remove. But when the wind will come, then only it will move. So this is called as thermal inversion. Because of the thermal also, the smoke settle down near to the earth surface. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. So what is the like you can see that there's an industrial smoke. Okay. Then fog formation is there. Okay. Smoke plus fog from a dense blanket of a smog which cools down and settles down. So you can see that right now there is normally the capture is there, right? In the previous question, it is going in upward direction. This is normal condition. But because of the smoke, fog, and the thermal, the temperature cools down. That's why uh, it's create a blindness or the you can't see the thing because of the trapped air. It's that we call as photochemical smoke. Now acid rain is caused by nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide. When these gases go in the cloud and it mixes with the water, it reduces the acidity. It reduces the pH of the water in the cloud and it's create an acid rain. Understood? Yes or no? Uh, in human, it can cause asthma, premature deaths when food, water, and air is mixed with it and acid consumed. So basically, you can see that the sulfur dioxide, sulfur nitrogen dioxide, and nitrogen trioxide, when it goes into the cloud, it mixes with the water and it creates a acid rain. Right now, you can see an example that our Taj Mahal, which is one of the seven wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal is becoming yellowish in color. Because Taj Mahal is made up of marble, acid is reacting on it, and because of that, the deposition of acid, it's create a yellowish in color. Okay, so basically, the building monuments and all these are affected by the acid. This is the chapter, and we have completed the chapter. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So tomorrow is the doubt class of the science also. So first we will take the test of the construction, and then tomorrow science class doubt class. So if you have any doubt, just ask me. So right now, any doubt in this chapter? No? Okay. So we'll do one thing. I'll plan that thing that when we'll come on the Monday of the next month, we'll do one thing. You just go through the chapters, and then we will have a concept doubt. Means the concept or the part which you didn't understand, just come back with that thing, and then we'll have a doubt. Okay? Anna, Ezekiel, please come with doubt. Huh? I want doubt from you. Okay,
For
I know that,
science, sir.
right? Science, maths, both. Both will
Maths
have
I
one
will
week.
come. I'll get doubts. Science, I understood this chapter.
See, I'm saying again, 1 week we have full week for the studies. Go do a good study, okay, and then come with it. I want doubt from your side, okay. I know that Word of God says that don't doubt on it, okay, but don't do in the studies, okay. Studies I need doubts, because doubts will clear a lot of things. Not yours also. I told you there are three types of people are there. One, that never ask doubts. The second, they always ask doubt. And the third one are the one who will wait. They will not ask, okay, because they don't want to, like, they sharmate hain, they don't have the courage to speak. They will wait for others to ask the doubt. Like the one who is asking the doubt, they will wait for them. And when they will ask, okay, sir, this is my doubt also. This is the same doubt. So please ask doubts, because it gets clear a lot of doubts of you also and your fellow friends. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Sayonara.